Imagine this: golden, crispy chicken tenders sizzling fresh from your countertop, no deep fryer or greasy mess in sight. Or maybe it's a batch of perfectly baked cookies, a tray of roasted veggies, or even dehydrated fruit snacks, all from one sleek, space-saving appliance. Meet this Fabuletta Air Fryer 11-in-1, 6 quart, a game-changer for home cooks who crave versatility, health-conscious meals, and effortless cleanup. In this 100% original review, we'll dive into why this air fryer is a must-have, optimized for air fryer reviews, healthy cooking, and kitchen appliances. Buckle up! This is your ticket to culinary freedom. Why the Fabuletta Air Fryer stands out. The kitchen appliance market is buzzing, but the Fabuletta Air Fryer cuts through the noise with its 11-in-1 functionality, 450 degrees Fahrenheit max crisp technology, and a design that screams both style and practicality. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone who just loves crispy fries without the guilt, this air fryer delivers. It's not just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade that saves time, space, and calories while keeping your taste buds happy. Let's break down why this air fryer deserves a spot in your kitchen and your heart. Unmatched versatility. With 11 preset functions: fries, chicken, steak, baking, seafood, bacon, veggies, dehydration, preheating, reheating, and keeping warm, this air fryer replaces your oven, microwave, and dehydrator. One appliance, endless possibilities. Crispy perfection at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the Max Crisp feature cranks up the heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for the final 2 minutes, ensuring extra crunchy results for favorites like French fries and chicken wings. Say goodbye to soggy disappointments. Healthier cooking, no compromise. Cook with little to no oil for low-fat meals that don't skimp on flavor. From juicy steaks to fluffy cakes, enjoy guilt-free indulgence. Space-saving elegance. Its sleek, narrow design maximizes a 6-quart capacity while fitting snugly on your counter or in cabinets. The sage green finish adds a chic touch and wipes clean easily. Effortless cleanup. The nonstick basket and rack are dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring. User-friendly features. A digital touchscreen lets you customize time and temperature, while the LED shake reminder ensures even cooking by prompting you to flip your food halfway through. This air fryer isn't just about cooking, it's about transforming how you approach meals. It's perfect for small families, serves 3 to 5, health-conscious foodies, or anyone who wants restaurant-quality results at home. Solving real kitchen problems. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Bulky appliances clutter your counters, greasy frying leaves a mess, and healthy eating often feels like a flavor sacrifice. The Fabuletta Air Fryer tackles these pain points head-on. Cluttered countertops. Its compact design frees up space without sacrificing capacity. Greasy cleanup. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes messes a thing of the past. Unhealthy meals. Low oil cooking delivers crispy, delicious results with fewer calories. Time crunch. Preset functions and one-touch cooking mean meals are ready in minutes. Who's this air fryer for? The Fabuletta Air Fryer is a dream for busy families. Feed 3 to 5 people with ease, from kid-friendly fries to sophisticated seafood dishes. Health enthusiasts. Enjoy low-fat versions of your favorite fried foods without losing that crave-worthy crunch. Small space dwellers. Its compact design is ideal for apartments or cozy kitchens. Culinary explorers. Experiment with baking, dehydrating, and roasting, all in one device. Real-world performance. What to expect. I tested the Fabuletta Air Fryer over a week, and it delivered beyond expectations. Here's a quick rundown of my experience. Chicken wings. Using the Max Crisp setting, I got wings so crispy they rivaled my favorite takeout spot, without a drop of oil. Baked goods. A batch of chocolate chip cookies came out golden and chewy, proving this air fryer isn't just for savory dishes. Dehydrated fruit. I made apple chips that were a hit with my kids, showcasing the dehydration function's versatility. Ease of use. The digital display was intuitive, and the shake reminder ensured even cooking every time. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. The Fabuletta Air Fryer 11-in-1. 6 quart isn't just an appliance. It's a ticket to healthier, tastier, and easier meals. Whether you're air frying crispy fries, baking a cake, or dehydrating snacks, this air fryer delivers every time. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this kitchen superstar yours. Don't wait. Your next delicious meal is just a button away. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.